one of the largest vineyards on Earth. Millions of grape clusters, ripening at once. Hundreds harvesting at once, across a vineyard too vast to see the end of. Cut at the stem. Each cluster handled with care. Bin after bin, the harvest filling fast. An entire fleet loading non-stop. Tons of grapes, every single hour. Dozens of trucks, one convoy. Millions of grapes on the move. One of the largest grape juice factories, built for crores of pouches. Dozens of bays working at once. The intake never stops. Straight onto the line. Millions of grapes, moving as one. Washed at massive volume, thousands per minute. Every cluster spotless. Stems removed at high speed. Only the fruit moves forward. An entire hall of crushers. Millions of grapes cracked open daily. Fresh grape must, deep purple, flowing by the millions of liters. A dozen presses, cold and constant, juice flowing by the crore liters. Skins and seeds separated. Only pure juice continues. Filtered at industrial scale. Clarity across every liter. Crores of liters in reserve. A hall built for massive scale. Balanced precisely. Sweetness measured to the gram, by the ton. Pasteurized without compromise. Flavor preserved, safety guaranteed. Filtered a final time, perfectly smooth, before it meets the pouch. The pouch film formed. The pouch film formed. Crores of pouches taking shape. Purple caps fitted. Purple caps fitted. Thousands every minute, grape flavor sealed in. Filling by the crore. Deep purple grape juice, pouch after pouch. Dozens of lines, all running. Crores of grape juice pouches, filled every hour. Sealed airtight, locked in with every press. Every seal tested. Not one leaking pouch leaves line. Not one leaking pouch leaves this line. Bundled in sixes. Millions of packs sealed together. Kept cold. Freshness maintained right up to delivery.
From the rich taste of grapes to every refreshing sip, Grape brings delicious grape juice straight to your glass.